Well guys, we're now going to have a look at where the heater is located under our bed. So with the bed now up, let's take a look. So if we go straight to the back here, this is where we've installed it because we've had plenty of clearance. You can see it installed down the base there. Over to the right are the fuses, and we put a cover over the top of that which allows us to put some stuff on top without any issues. Now if we follow the duct that comes out, it's chased around through here and comes over to this side here, and it comes through this bigger part of our storage area. You can see that we've got a cover that we use that goes over the top of it so we don't squash it, and comes to the outlet over here. Now as I close the bed down, the final part of the puzzle is the controller. But as I move over to the control, I just wanted to let you know, you saw the heater underneath. Well, down under here, which it's a bit hard to see, is the intake duct. Now, to this controller, this does all the things that we need to do. We mounted ours next to our bed, obviously so that we could control it from the bed first thing in the morning to heat up our van and turn it off at night. Now, it also has the thermostat at this point as well. So it's the air that's circulating can be balanced through. So there you have it. That's our diesel heater install in our caravan. We've had it now for a couple of years and we absolutely love it. It's a little bit of luxury and indulgence that we take with us when we're out on the road. So I hope you might be considering a diesel heater. Give it some thought, do your homework, and you too can enjoy a nice warm RV.